Okay, we've got our batter mixed up here, and it's a little lumpy, despite some vigorous whisking. So maybe this is some part of this batter, but we're going to try to make it. And we've turned up the heat to just about the middle range, and off we go. All right, let's see what we conjure up there with this. Our first poured pancake of the day, and we're watching and waiting and watching and waiting, and meantime it's starting to thunder outside, which means the rain is coming. Way too early to flip this baby over, because we gotta wait to see the bubbles appear. Only when the bubbles appear is it time to flip near. Meantime, that deer out there is still eating the watermelon. Now she's eating the rind. Interesting. The babies are way off there, and they're sitting down back in the dark forest. Oh, some bubbles are appearing. Bubbles are appearing.